Sorry about that. Unfortunately, my headphones just died. So what I was saying is I was going over the admin bookings. So obviously you can see all the bookings here: ID number, students, instructor, the date of the booking, time of the booking, and exactly what location, whether the link or specific room number of the booking. So those are basically overall the three roles. Now I'm going to add a few more users to the account to show how the system handles multiple accounts. So go back here to the sign in. Let me do a couple more. Let's just do throw in a bunch more names. Sarah as a student. Let's do another one. Jim as a student. And then for professor, we could do Professor Tom. Professor Mary. And then for admin, we could add another admin. Control to admin. So again, you can see obviously it updates it instantly. Obviously, it's going to increase the total number of users in the admin account or admin dashboard, giving each of them an ID. Gives each one of the users an ID, the name of it, and then exactly what role they play. So now it says total users are 12. Let's do booking multiple. Let's book multiple time slots. Let's actually first create multiple time slots. So as Professor Josh, if you sign in, you would go to the calendar. Say for tomorrow, you would like to create a time slot for 4 to 6 p.m. Do room 405, and then you click create time slots. So this is now Professor Josh's time slots. Let's do for another professor. Let's do for Professor where was it? Professor Mary. Let's say for example she wanted to do next Monday. She just wanted to do from 4. Let's do from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Let's do one like that where she has it for room 2, and then we'll also add another one for her accounts. The next day on Tuesday, let's do for 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then creates another one. So obviously it's 2 separate dates as well as different times. Should change the link to make it better seen. But basically, yeah. So 2 separate dates. The one on the December 8th and December 9th, where it was a 2-hour time slot, so it split up to 4, and then it was a 1-hour time slot on December 8th, so it split it up into 2 time slots, 30 and 30. Location, and then how they're all open. So if we go back to a student, let's say for example we go back to let's go to Jim. So Jim now has the option to look at the several professors. You can go to Professor Alex, Josh, Tom, or Mary. Go through them. Obviously, Professor Alex was already booked by Dennis before, so it shows that it has been booked already. But he does have the option to book other time slots that are available for Professor Alex. So let's book the this one. Shows down here, and then if you would like to choose a different one, Professor Josh, let's do choose a random one here. So you could choose multiple of them. Go to Professor Mary, and we'll just choose one of them. So now, obviously, Josh has all of these bookings that he sees on his booking, or where he can manage all of his bookings, the instructors, different instructors, the dates and the times he has, as well as where it's going to be happening. Either cancel it, add it to the calendar, it has those options. And if we, for example, go to a different student's accounts, let's go back to Dennis, the first one that we had. He also has the option of choosing the different professors, but obviously it shows now that they are booked and he's unable to choose them. You could also cancel them whenever you would like, and then those time slots then open up for a different student. So let's say, for example, we go to Sarah. I think we chose Professor Alex in the beginning. Now those slots that we originally chose for Dennis are now open. So basically, the system will just go back and forth with the students and teachers, creating. That's just the main general idea of that the whole system that we have here, just for students and professors. Pick times out, just better connect with each other without having be complicating. Let me show the running out of time here. Let me show the admin side of how now that there's a bunch of new users and time slots, obviously updates in the system showing now a total of 12 users. Time slots have increased of all the when the teachers have created time slots, and now there are a total of 4 active bookings that the students and teachers have made. Obviously updating in real time. Obviously in the future we'd want a better system to have it, whether for the admin to cancel certain ones or create certain ones. Right now we just have it able to create new users. Yeah, so I think I'm almost at the 25-minute mark, but basically, yeah, that's just our whole the whole system. Obviously, in future upgrades, we'd want to move this from a local store to like Azure database. Students and instructors would sign in with Microsoft or GitHub accounts. Basic slots and bookings would be saved into an SQL table. What else? When someone books or cancels, Azure Functions would update the database. We could also send confirmation emails using the Azure communication services. Obviously, for this project, we simulate everything. We simulate everything in the front end, but the logic still stays the same. We always keep the UI simple because the goal was to focus on the features, not styling. If we upgrade later, we'd add more colors, themes, animations, and a real calendar. Yeah, and that's basically it. And for our system, we also have this reset system data. So if anything happens, just for the test, we have it set up like this. So it just resets everything. And now it's back to the same thing that we had in the beginning. And that's basically our full demo for the cloud schedule office hour bookings. Thank you.